Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on Threads. You click on settings. In this first page here, we go to settings like this. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here, you will go to this application of Threads and you will enter. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.